What is crackalackin, you lip rippers? Fishing DF Dub. We'll try something a little different here today. Think about starting a series called Front Porch Fridays. Today, as you can tell by the intro, we're going to be looking at and unboxing the SLX DC by Shimano. This is the 150HG, which means high gear. Do a little unboxing for you here. There's the reel. High gear means it's a 7:2 gear ratio. Okay. I have not put any line on this yet. I haven't done anything to it. Literally just went and bought it at Academy for $189.99. Alright, to go along with it, sorry if you guys can hear the passing cars. I live right off a busy street. I've got the Berkeley lightning rod. Okay, this is a 6'6" medium heavy fast action. This was $39.99 at Academy. Alright, a lot of people on YouTube are saying that you almost can't get better than this for the money. Okay, that it's just as good as a $100 rod. So basically, guys, my 13th anniversary is coming up with my wife. Okay, and she said, "Babe, what do you want?" And I said, "Well, since I started this fishing channel on YouTube, I would really like to get a Shimano DC reel." And she said, "Which one do you want?" We looked at the Corrado, we looked at the SLX DC, and having never used a DC before, I wanted to go with the SLX. The Corrado is about $249. Okay, the SLX, like I said, $189.99. So to me, having never used a DC, a digital chip is what it stands for, a DC braking system before, never used it, I wanted to go with, well, I guess you could say, the cheaper version. Okay, I didn't want to drop a boatload of money on something that could turn out to be a gimmick. Now, you guys out there on YouTube, this thing's been out for, I think, a little over a year. The Corrado's been out for 2 years, I believe. And I'm used to conventional braking systems, you know, magnetic brakes and stuff like that. But I've heard and seen videos that this thing is amazing. That basically, I could take my 8-year-old son that's never used one of these and he would be fine. So what we're going to do, I've got a bag of goodies here from Academy as well. We are going to put line on this DC reel. We're going to put the rod and the reel together and string it up with line. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, everybody. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and put the reel on the rod. Like I said, literally just got this for my 13th wedding anniversary. Babe, love you, appreciate it. And this Berkeley lightning rod has a double, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's kind of cloudy today, not a lot of light, has a double tightening function. Alright, you tighten this down first, and you tighten down this one on top of it. Snug that down real good. Guys, this feels like a very, very, very solid combo, okay, when it's put together. The SLX DC is extremely light, okay, but I'm ready to put some line on this thing. You guys ready? Let's do it. Alright guys, so to put on this reel, I've got the Yall top knot mainline 14-pound fluorocarbon. Let's get this opened up real quick. I've actually had good luck with Yall top knot. Let me know, guys, what y'all think about this line, if you've used it or not. Like I said, I've had fairly good luck with it. Like I said, all this was bought at Academy, at my local Academy sporting goods store. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and spool this thing up. I tied it with a uni knot. Always remember when you're spooling up a reel, keep light tension on the line, like I'm doing right here, holding it with my fingers in my left hand and reeling with my right on this reel. All right, y'all, you want to spool this thing, see if I can get you in close or not, to about 1/16 off the top of that spool. 1/16 to an 1/8, somewhere in there, okay? All right, y'all, now that we got the reel spooled up with that 14-pound fluorocarbon, like I said, I got a bag of goodies, okay? Not only did the wifey buy me a new rod and a new reel, she also bought me some lures, different types of lures, okay? Got me a bait ball spinning rig. All right, so it's kind of like the Alabama rig, aka cheating rig. It's a smaller version, supposed to look like a school of fish. Okay, so I got that. I've got the Academy Special H2O Express, the jointed shad 3.5 inch. The actual swim bait is upside down, but it's a 3.5 inch shad swim bait. I've got the Strike King swimming jig, blue color, dark water, slays it. Then I've got the KVD 1.5 inch shallow runner. This is another version of the second to last video that I did where I caught that 3.5 pound bass. It's another version of this, another color. Now we've got the Guggen Squad Banger. That's what I'm gonna tie on this reel here in a minute. Then, let's see. We've got another swim bait, jointed sunfish. Strike King Rage Tails in the June bug color, which is dark blue again. Like I said, dark water, man, tears them up. I've got some Zoom Super Flukes. Love, love, love to put these on spinning baits or just a regular, like a shaky head. Does good. Alright, then I've got the Smithwick Floating Rattling Rouge. Guys, all these baits are upside down in the box. And last but not least, we've got some underspins. These are weighted. They're called the Flashy Swimmer Gold Colorado. I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to attach the Guggen Squad Banger. I heard that this thing sounds amazing. I just confirmed it. Listen to this. Guys, that is crazy. So we're gonna get this thing tied on real quick. Like I said, guys, let me know what y'all think about Front Porch Fridays. Basically, I'm just gonna sit here on my front porch. I'm gonna talk about various things, whether it be different bodies of water in my area, baits, lures, rods, reels, line, fluorocarbon, braid, those are my two favorites. I really don't use mono that much. I just, for bait casters, it's not really that great. Okay, so the knot that I tie is a uni knot. Okay, it's real simple. Put your line through the lure. Okay. I know you guys can't really see this line very well. Then you create a loop. Alright. Stretch that loop out a little bit. And then for 14-pound fluorocarbon, I go around this inside this loop 7 times. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then from there, just wet your line. Pull on both the tag in and the main line in. And then once you get it like that, cinch it down tight. And that's a uni knot. And from there, we're going to cut off the tag in. There's your uni knot. Okay, everybody. So unfortunately, because we're on my front porch, we're not on a body of water. The Shimano SLX DC, they say not to set it like a conventional bait caster, okay? Where you hold the lure up in the air, hold your rod at a 45 degree, and then you hit the button and let it fall, and it's supposed to fall real slow, okay? The book that came with it says to tighten the spool just enough so it doesn't wobble side to side, okay? And that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, let's back off of it a little bit. That's probably just good. Get you guys in here real close. There's hardly any movement on that spool, okay? So like I said, we're not out of body of water right now since we're on my front porch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another video using this rod and reel, and we're gonna take it fishing, see if it catches some fish. But let me know what you guys think about this Front Porch Fridays. All right, and then make sure you subscribe. It's free. Smash that like button, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Fishing DF Dub out.